Hey guys, it's Patrick Joseph and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about rider safety. One of the most unused riding gear is a riding glove, and one of the most common injuries that occur when you meet with an accident is to your hand, specifically to your palms. If you do have your riding gloves on, you could avoid major injuries. Today we're going to go ahead and check out the new Rynox Urban X riding gloves. Now these are your mid-cuff gloves, unlike most of the gloves that you get in the market, which is short cuff or the gauntlet. This is a mid-cuff range. It gives you ample protection for your wrist bone. It does come with the HD foam pad. One of the main reasons why I got these gloves is because these gloves are perfect for the summer riding conditions. They're perfect for the city riding conditions, and it is extremely easy to get in and out of this glove. It has a single Velcro system. And now coming to the construction of this glove. Now this glove is made out of soft premium full grain leather. It has 3D mesh which gives you ample amount of airflow. Has a woven in stretch panel which is quite soft and comfortable. Unlike the other gloves that I have, which comes with the hard knuckle protector, this comes with a more soft malleable knuckle protector which is very comfortable. This knuckle protector is made out of special PU herithrome, which is very durable and highly resilient material. It is also backed up with HD foam, which makes it very comfortable when you wear it on. You also get the finger joints with TPU protection, and the fingertips do come with HD foam for extra protection. Now these gloves do come with some technology. They do come with touch sensitivity, which gives you real-time access to your smartphone. Now let's talk about the inner palm area of this glove. This glove comes with an overlay of silicone, which makes the throttle response and the grip more effective. These gloves also come with KNOX slider, which helps you prevent from scaphoid injuries, which is one of the most common injuries that occur when you meet with an accident. Now the materials used in these gloves are really soft and comfortable, and they also come with pre-curved fingers, which does not require the break-in period like other gloves. There is a material that goes between each fingers which gives you ample amount of airflow, plus it is a stretch material, so it feels quite comfortable from day one onwards. Now coming to the conclusion of this video, according to my opinion, these gloves are ideal for summer city riding conditions. City riding conditions, I would request you guys to use something that is more comfortable, that is a lot ventilated, something like the Rynox Urban X riding gloves. As the name suggests, now these are designed for urban riding conditions. But if you're touring, you can also have them as your secondary glove, which would be absolutely perfect because they're really small. They do not take up a lot of space in your luggage, and it's very light. So these could be a perfect secondary riding gloves, but in the city, I think these would be your primary glove. And I would also consider them to be one of the safest gloves that you could find at this price point in the market right now. Now please do share your thoughts and comments, and remember to hit the subscribe button below. You can also press the bell icon on top for notifications when I publish new videos. Please do support our channel by liking and commenting on this video, and be safe guys. Signing off, Patrick Joseph.